Hello people! It is Sunday and it's 1:30. I think 1:30, right? No, 2:30. 2:30 na guys. Katapos ko lang mag-film ng aking hair care routine at saka yung aking how I curl my hair. And si Dan nag-weeding din siya kanina. Good boy, good boy. Pupunta kami sa Costco and then we will go to Savers. I'll do that, babe. I'll finish that.
There's more to the other. This one you can do whatever I want.
Okay, yeah, I'll finish that. Nag-ano siya ng tubig. Pakita ko pa sa inyo guys, yung cake, pa-cake nila kahapon sa wedding. Magandang idea na to, especially kapag malaki yung wedding kasi I think there's like 200-250 people dun sa wedding. And syempre, kapag meron kang wedding cake, hindi naman siguro lahat makakakain, diba? So, now I'm just gonna show them. I'm telling them that it's a really good idea to like do it this way, especially if it's a massive wedding. Yeah. Kasi, dito na lang nila nilalagay. And then, you can take it home as well. I'll show you. Hindi ko pa to nakita eh. So, meron siyang paganyan. Meron siyang, ano. And then, thank you, love, Lauren and Nathan. And then, yung date. So, you've eaten yours, right? Nakain na din yung kanya.
Let's just say it before then.
Why? I don't want to eat it yet. Because if I will, I'll be full. And we're having lunch. Ganito yung cake. Did you see their cake?
No.
It's really cool. It's naked. The first layer is naked cake, like ours. But then the two top layers. It's only a three-layer. It's only a three-layer cake. Yeah, but it looks really. It's cute. Okay. Like blue. I think really light blue on the top, and then the middle one is white. But then the bottom is naked cake, like ours. Okay. And it has some gold.
Layers.
No, gold, yeah, gold flakes on it as well, like ours. I saw it and I was like, ah, naked cake. But yeah, it was a really good wedding. Oh yeah, that one. Do you want to eat that? I'll just keep this in the fridge and then maybe eat it tonight.
I'll eat this now.
You will eat that now? So where are we going for lunch? Sabi ko sa kanya, sushi. Kasi matagal na kami hindi naka-sushi. Pero ayaw niya mag-sushi. So we will go, sabi niya, to the pub daw. Yeah? It's hot outside. It actually looks really good. Okay, let's go. We went there, Porto. Nag-ano lang kami, take away ng burger. Tapos sila mag-drive. So dito na kami kakain sa sasakyan. Kasi yung Savers at saka yung Costco, mag-close sila ng 5. Tapos it's already 3. Exactly 3. Tingnan nyo. Okay. Yum. That's a big burger. This is the Bondi burger. Okay, careful. It's good. Savers! Yes, we're going there. Sobrang tagal ko na din hindi nakapunta dyan. I saw the red nose bags as well outside Savers. So I think they're like related something.
Nah, people would just put it there because it's probably.
No, it's on the sign as well, like red nose and then Savers, yeah. Okay. Yun yung ano yung bag na nag-donate ako. Magdo-donate sana ako. Like, I was gonna go through my stuff para i-donate sa kanila. Kaya lang wala na akong time guys. Nag-film ako ng video and then kailangan na namin umalis kasi mag-close sila ng 5. So, dito na kami sa Savers. Hindi ko alam kung anong bibilhin ko. Like, I'm just gonna look and see. If I like something, I'll get it. If not, then no pressure. After dito, punta kami sa Costco. Okay, let's go. Let go, let go, let go. Can I vlog here? I sure can. Oh, Halloween. Allah, look at this. Oh, cool. Halloween costumes. You get something hala, look, you get something similar from Kmart for like $1, right?
Yeah.
$30. Nah, 30, 13. Ito din. May mga costume sila. He wants to look at the books kasi he loves reading daw. Babe, hala, Madison. Look at it. They should put Daniel on. Just kidding. Just kidding. Look how cute, oh. Oh, nice. Ay, meron silang mga... Hello, babe. This reminds me of the canvas that I need to sort out.
Yeah.
I need to sort it out tonight.
You do.
Yeah. Nag-order kami ng canvas sa, Big W. I'm not sure if na-mention ko na, pero nag-order kami and then mali-mali siya. So, pinaulit namin. And I need to, like, send them the email again tonight. Green big. This is the one from Kmart, I think. How much is this? $4. Para sa dalawa. Maganda sa kapag meron ka ng baby sa baby store. Kasi maganda yung kulay. Wow. They look good now. They don't. Oh, that's pretty.
I'm recording, babe.
I found this. It's thick, and then it has that. It's not too long as well. Hopefully, I'll try it on. You feel me? I get it to you. Hot dog, egg. What is this? Oh, like a balloon thingy. And then here. A chicken, babe. It can be chicken for sabong. Tapos na ako mag-try, guys. Hindi ko nagustuhan. Ooh, look at this. I like it. It's brand new as well.
No one's going to wear that.
Guess how much?
Oh,
No, guess how much originally?
40.
I don't know, but it's $22.99. I actually
What's the
like
brand?
this. It's something I'll wear.
Different.
It is. It's heavy. See, I'm wearing something similar.
Too big for you, though.
Is it? Maganda yung nila dito, guys. Okay, kasi sineseparate nila yung size. So, like, size, can you see? Size 10. Wait, where is it? There. Pakita ko sa inyo ng maayos. See, 10, 12. So, kapag size maliit ka, dun ka pumunta sa maliit. Ay, cute to, oh. Hello, cute to, oh. Malaki nga lang. Alright, let's go. Let's go to Costco. Costco? Okay, let's go. Ang cute talaga nun. This is cute, babe. I really do like it. Pero mas malaki siya sa akin. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Sasabihin ko sana busy ang parking, pero marami palang parking. Okay, Costco! Costco! What are we gonna buy at Costco, babe? Costco.
Chicken.
No. Titingnan namin yung Havaianas na We're using, yung card ng kapatid niya kasi magkamukha sila. It has a picture in it. Dito kami sa Costco, guys. So, last night, sa wedding, nagpicture kami na Dan. Where's the picture? Do you still have the picture?
Which picture?
The picture that we took at the wedding.
Yeah.
Nagpicture kami na Dan. Tapos tinignan niya yung picture. Tapos ang taba-taba niya daw. Especially next to me. Like, ang taba-taba niya. Sabi niya, he came up with a plan. A deal. What was your deal? Sabi niya, mag-workout daw siya 5 days a week for 5 weeks. Before kami pumunta ng Pilipinas, 5 days a week. Kapag daw hindi niya nagawa, he will buy me this. Tinanong niya sa akin, ano yung purchase na parang feeling mo stupid purchase? Sabi ko, hindi siya stupid, but it's extremely expensive. This one is like $1,899. This is the ATD. And sabi ko, yeah, yun. Tapos sabi niya, sige, kapag hindi ko nagawa, bibilhan kita niyan. This is massive. I didn't even know that they have it here. 1,800. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, 2,000. Hala. Oh, they have ATD and they have 800D. Actually guys, hindi ko naman talaga alam. Sinabi ko lang sa kanya 80D. The 800D, babe, is 1,499. You ready, babe? You ready to buy me that?
No.
And then there's Nikon. Okay. Dami nilang ano dito, mga camera. Dito na yung iPhone 8, guys. Yan, oh. It looks... Hello. Look at the picture. But it looks the same sa iPhone 7 Plus. This is the iPhone 8 Plus. And how much is it? 1179. What are you looking at? Don't look at the messages. Oh, yeah, the emojis. Try, babe. Try the emoji. That you can... Wait. You can message? I'm not quite sure how you do it, but... I think you can talk. I don't know. Never mind. I don't know how to do it. But like, you can talk. You can be the emoji. You can be the talking emoji. This is you, babe. Go right next to him. Ala, ang ganda. Christmas na. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this. Ala, ang ganda nito. Oh. Bakit parang nakakalungkot kapag may Christmas song? Ako lang ba? Parang nalulungkot ako kapag nakakarinig ako ng Christmas song. Yung mga ganun. Siguro kasi ang saya ng Christmas sa Pilipinas tapos wala ako sa Pilipinas. Pero I would be there. But I don't know. I don't know. It's crazy.
What's that?
I'm wearing a dress, but this is so cool. Can't really move because it's
Ah.
yeah. I wish I can. Nah, too small. Like it. Is it good? Apple mango. Do you like it? Crispy mixed fruit.
Mixed fruit. No added sugar.
I'll try this. Thank you.
Filipino?
Yum?
Filipino?
I'm not sure. Maybe. She's nice. No?
Yeah.
I dropped my mixed fruit. It's crispy. Twiggy stick. Yum. That was mango, I think, and this is banana.
Hot dog five.
Yummers! Yeah, the boys will like that, I think. Meron silang bola, guys. Oh. Spalding. It's only 17. Asan yung price? There, 17.99. Dito kami sa Havaiana section. I'm buying mom this. Puma shoes. Havaianas.
Okay.
Sorry?
That's alright.
What did you say? Havaianas, guys. Bibili ako ng mga chanelas. Damihan natin. Ito lang yung bibili namin. Chanelas para kay Dan. That. Salad. And then sapatos para kay Mami Lou. Same chanelas din sa kanya. We're home. Dan wants me to go through all the clothes na binili ko pa sa lubong. Kasi may nadagdag na naman. Sabi niya, i-try natin sa luggage mo. Yeah, we're fine, babe. Sabi niya, i-try natin sa luggage mo. Kasi kapag hindi na magkasya, ano na? Ano nang dadalhin namin para sa amin?
Shut that window, babes.
Yeah, please. Shut it, shut it, shut it. Because I didn't want to step on it.
Can you just
I'll put that.
We'll put it somewhere.
Yeah, thank you. Sige. The clothes, babe, it's in the closet. And
What's
then,
that?
same with my, that's what I filmed today.
Okay. That rubbish?
Ito yung luggage ko. Malaking luggage. Sa ano ko pa ito nabili? TJ Maxx sa US. Sobrang laki nito. Bet na bet ko to. Tapos may mga gold na ano. So you open it like that. Ooh. Okay. Ayan yung mga damit na dadalhin ko. Hindi naman siya ganun karami.
I mean, hats though.
Hats. Did you get something for Papi there? Not yet, right?
No.
Yeah, so we didn't buy that. Those are all for Mark only. And
They're all
Marvin
for
and
Mark.
Marlon.
Yeah, they're all for the boys. They can sort that out between them.
Yeah. Okay. I know how to
Who's
pack.
that
For Mom, maybe. Oops, sorry. And then this is for Mom as well, or like whoever.
Yeah.
It's a wallet as well. Those are clothes. Yeah, see, I'm fine, babe. It's not even that much. More clothes.
Yeah, but we still.
See, that's only like that part there. Yes, it is. That's it.
We still got our staff shopping as well, babe. Let's just see what we got.
Yeah, but like, I'm gonna get rid of this after. Ito ang aming dinner. Nag-prepare ako ng char. Nag-prepare daw ako. Galing ito sa Costco. Nilagay ko lang siya, nilipat ko lang siya. Hindi talaga ako yung nag-prepare niyan. Pero, ito yung kay Danny Boy. This is mine. So, yung salad nito guys, meron siyang lettuce, egg, bacon bits, yung sauce, and then yung croutons. While watching La Luna Sangre. Sobrang dami ko na hindi napanood nito, as in sobra. But, yeah. This is the first one I'm watching today. And yeah, let's do this. Kain tayo. I'm cooking turon. 2 turon lang kasi sabi ni Dan hindi na daw siya kakain. Si Dan tumakbo na din siya. So, ngayon yung start ng kanyang workout, guys. Meron na kaming kalendaryo dito na inano niya. Yan. Starting today. So, dapat 5 days a week for 5 weeks. Yan. 5 weeks. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5 weeks only? Dito kami alis eh. We'll see. Pero yeah, 5 weeks.